Yeah, you are on your phone. You almost ran me over there in the crosswalk. Yeah, you are on your phone. Yeah, I was almost in the middle of the street and you almost ran me over right there. You gotta be careful when you're not. You have to be off the phone. Pay attention to crosswalks. Yeah. Yeah. Sí, como no, cabrón. Chinga tu madre. What's going on? Am I being detained?
Yes, you are.
Why?
You're being detained.
Why?
Right?
Why?
Because you're being detained.
Why? Because you almost ran me over and I
No.
called you out on it? Why? What did I do? Hey.
Come here.
Help! 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 Help!
Hey,
Help!
I'm gonna get someone over here right now.
Help! 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 Help!
Shut up.
Help!
Dude, stop.
Help! Somebody help me!
Vamos together.
Somebody help me!
Vamos together.
Somebody help me!
Vamos together. There you go.
Somebody help me! You almost ran me over, man. That's not cool.
Vamos together, dude. You have ID on you? Huh?
Am I under arrest?
You have ID on you, yes or no?
Hey, man, that's not cool at all, man.
You have ID on you, yes.
Help! Help! I don't have ID on me. No, call your supervisor. Call your supervisor, man. Hey, man, what's wrong with you, man?
Just for that, you gotta go to jail.